Imagine waking up checking your phone and seeing money rolling into your account while you slept. Sounds like a dream? Well, in 2025, it's not just possible, it's essential. But here's the kicker. If you're not building passive income streams now, you might be stuck running on the financial hamster wheel forever. Today, we're breaking down 7 actionable steps to build passive income in 2025. And no, it's not just about buying stocks or starting a blog. It's smarter, faster, and kind of fun. So buckle up. Why? Let's face it, the 9-to-5 grind isn't cutting it anymore. With rising inflation, stagnant wages, and AI changing the job market faster than you can say job security, relying on one income stream is financial suicide. Passive income isn't about being lazy, it's about being smart. Think of it as planting seeds today so you can enjoy the shade tomorrow. Now let's dive into how you can start planting. First up, dividend stocks. These are shares of companies that pay you just for holding their stock. Think of it as getting paid to do, well, nothing. But here's the twist. Not all stocks are created equal. Look for companies with a history of consistent payouts. They're the golden geese. Digital products. Next, digital products, ebooks, templates, online courses. Create them once, sell them forever. Got a skill? Package it up and let the internet do the selling for you. As they say, work once, earn forever. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate might sound out of reach, but with crowdfunding platforms, you can invest in properties for as little as $10. Passive income from rent without being a landlord? Yes, please. Content creation with automation. Finally, content creation, but smarter. With AI tools doing the heavy lifting, starting a faceless YouTube channel like this one is more accessible than ever. Hint, you're watching proof of concept right now. Wait, does this make you an investor just by watching? Kinda. Yeah. The urgency. Here's the truth. Every day you wait is a day you lose. In 2025, the financial landscape will reward early movers and leave procrastinators behind. Passive income isn't a luxury anymore. It's a necessity. Start now. Start small. Just start. So, which passive income idea are you starting with? Drop a comment below and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more strategies to build your wealth. And hey, if you want to discover the ultimate passive income hack that almost nobody talks about, click on this video right here. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.